Hello there everybody. So in short, as you can see on the screen, we've had a couple of bad trades. Now this video is only going to be a short one, but I just want to point out to you a really stupid thing, in my opinion, that you'll be able to notice that I've learned from. So basically, as you can see here, we tried selling Tesla, we tried buying US dollars, or GBP USD, and then selling Germany 40 now. At present, our Apple investment from yesterday is only up 7 pence, but if we just take a quick look at this, you'd be able to tell here that it has actually been a lot, it's been fluctuating a lot today. It did actually spike up significantly more. It was at 42 pence profit, I believe, so yeah, but I decided to leave it in because I figured, you know, my reasoning for buying that stock is just, it's going to make sales over the next while, so until maybe the 25th or so is when I'm going to leave that in there until. I then also put in this investment in Coinbase simply because I'm looking to try and get us back up to where we were at before, when you last saw in the video, because that's where I want to be. I don't like it when I lose off camera. However, I think that there are lessons to be learned from it, and that's why I'm recording this, to show you essentially what it is that's happened. So in short, I wanted to look at a Tesla. So, oh, also you'll notice that we're on dark mode now, which in my opinion it just looks nicer. Let me know in the comments down below whether or not you think light mode or dark mode is better. Personally, I prefer dark mode. But yeah, so anyway, here you can see we have the Tesla stock, and in short, I wanted to click on the stock because I'm unfamiliar with using Trading 212 as a platform on my computer. I used to just use it on my phone. But essentially, I wanted to just click over here and look at the stock. Now, I wasn't aware of the fact that you have to click this button here to have a look at the chart, and then obviously you can change the chart however you want, depending on what time period you're gonna try and operate in. So I just went over here and I clicked, but if you can notice here, if you slightly miss the chart, you happen to just place an order, whether it's buy or sell, depending on here. You don't have to miss the chart by all that much. And that's exactly what happened here, unfortunately for me. And so I had to sort of rush and actually, you know, place a set loss and or a stop loss and a take profit on it. And unfortunately, it hit our stop loss, and we ended up losing 25p, which is a huge percentage of the money that we were operating with. So that was quite disheartening. And so I then sort of rushed and I was like, oh God, what am I going to do? I didn't mean to do that sort of thing. So I then thought, right, okay, well, I'll then try and make some other investments. And just by chance, we actually lost more money here. So it's highlighted a couple of things. Number one, I need to be more sensible with what I'm doing and take more time with regards to, you know, not rushing anything. If I want to look at a chart, I'm not in any rush. So I shouldn't be misclicking. And number two is that I need some more sort of consistent ways of making money, which I'll be going into in tomorrow's video, because as I said, this is only going to be a short video, briefly just pointing out the fact that, you know, we've lost some money here, because so far I'd only been gaining money, and I want to highlight to you guys that I am just learning. This is just me starting out, and I'm not going to make profit on everything. I've lost on two fair and square, you know, positions here, and then this one here was unfortunate, but again, it can happen. ChatGPT warned me to be familiar with the platform, and I wasn't, so that is my own fault there. But just you guys be aware of that if you're going to be using Trading 212. Just look out for something like that. You don't want something like that to happen to you. Anyway, that's essentially it for today. I apologise for the short video, but I don't believe that there's much else that I can say. I've not been aiming to make a video particularly long today, simply because there wasn't really much that I was observing on the market that I could have invested in, and I don't really want to rush into making an investment just for the sake of a video. So I will continue to monitor the markets, and if I see an opportunity, then obviously I'll be making videos on it. And yeah, so essentially that's everything for today. As I said, leave a comment down below, light mode or dark mode, which team are you? And if you have enjoyed somehow just watching me fail, you haven't even watched me fail, all you've done is hear that I've failed. But if you have managed to enjoy that, please feel free to hit the like button or subscribe or share with your friends, or in any way show any support that you guys see fit. So that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.